Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change rear brake pads on the V-Strom 650. It's a very easy job, anybody can do it. Just need a 12mm socket. Pull that off. Then you're going to need an Allen key. Jesus Christ. There we go. Hasn't been off there in a while. Slides up, that's one of your pins. Just work it, get it off the rotor. Now, you left it this. Your brake pads are attached with this pin right here, which all the greases came off and it's all dried up. Take your flathead screwdriver. Break that loose. Don't lose this. This is just capped for that. And then you're going to need, hard to show you, another Allen key in there. 5mm Allen key. You could do this when it's on the bike too. It's bust this one loose, but be careful you won't mess anything up. Don't lose that pin, you're going to have to re-grease that. Alright, so now your pads are off. Basically, now we just got to push the piston back in so our new pads will fit onto the rotor. You see those ones are pretty far gone. Took those to the very end. Sometimes you get lucky. You can just press these in by hand. You squeeze them. Use the old pad, that helps too. Alright. It's back in pretty far. That should be enough for our new pads. Now, make sure everything's clean. You can get a brush in there, rag, clean this all up. Alright, that's basically it. Now we just need some grease on there. Let me go grab that. Cleanliness is key for any job. It's pretty clean. Inspect all the parts for wear. Got some wear, but still good. This has got some wear on it, but it'll still work. They do eventually wear out and you'll have to replace them. I always put a small bit of grease on all of this. Be careful you don't get onto the brake pad surfaces, the pads themselves. Alright, so that's all well greased up. pin. I'm sure caliper's going to slide. Get a little bit of grease on that. Don't glob the grease on here. You don't want it flinging off onto your rotor, or you're getting work into your pads. If you have an excess amount, you'll lose your brakes while you're riding. That wouldn't be good. Like this. Set it in there like this. One on there like that. So very careful not to get grease on it. And if you do, brake and parts cleaner is your best friend. I'm going to wait to tighten this up until I get it back on the bike. That's on there. You can see you have plenty of room to get the rotor in there when you squeeze that down. Plenty of room. Then, gotta get pad seated onto these springs here. Which actually, we can grease that too a little bit. Okay. Carefully get them seated back in the right position, which can be easier said than done. And they go into the clips here, little spots for them. Alright, and just to get everything held in place here, grease on this pin. Just didn't want to seat into its seat correctly. Like this. And we'll throw a little grease on this one too. Snug. Just tighten this one up. Cap. And then we torque down. And that's it. Then work your brake. See if you got brakes. Beautiful.